It's been a long road, but there's light at the end of the tunnel. The last module takes a look at the final steps required to bring your device to market. After you receive any necessary certifications and your CE marking, you're just about ready to start selling your device. Let's take a closer look at the remaining steps. All Class 1 devices require registration. You'll also need to prepare a declaration of conformity. Finally, after the device is on the market, there are some additional actions for which you are responsible. When registering your device in Europe, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, Class 1 self-certified, Class 1 sterile, and Class 1 measuring devices must be registered with the competent authority of the authorized representative's home country. For example, if your AR is from the Netherlands, your registration is submitted to the Dutch Healthcare Inspectorate, which is their competent authority. Second, there are provisions in the medical device directives regarding Class 2, 2B, and 3 devices that allow member states to require additional notification prior to placing devices on the market. Most member states choose not to do this, but there are many that do. Earlier in the module covering the technical file, we touched on the Declaration of Conformity. This is a vital part of the registration process, as it is the document confirming that all relevant provisions of the Medical Device Directive have been followed. As part of their audit, your notified body should review a draft of the declaration to verify there are no issues and suggest corrections if needed. If it's not filled out correctly, or missing any pertinent information, your notified body might not authorize your CE marking. Getting your device authorized for sale in the EU can be an arduous process, and it's not just a one-time register and you're done type of ordeal. Post-market surveillance is an integral part of the process, and here's a few reasons why. Post-market surveillance helps you monitor any complaints about your device. It's much better for you to learn about these firsthand and address them rather than hear about it from the competent authority. Post-market surveillance also helps you to continually assess the performance, safety, and effectiveness of your device, and it also helps you proactively address any potential problems your device encounters on the market. That brings us to the end of this module and this series on bringing your medical device to market in Europe. The European Commission and its competent authorities are the governing regulatory bodies. We looked at how to determine your device classification and the differences between classifications. We also took a look at quality system requirements, including a little on ISO 13485. We then examined what documents must be submitted with your technical file. We also learned that if your company is outside of the EU, you're required to obtain an authorized representative and what role the notified body plays. Last, we discussed the final steps for device registration and the importance of post-market surveillance. We hope you've enjoyed this video series and learned some valuable information. This is just the tip of the iceberg though. A wealth of resources including regulatory charts, device regulations, videos, white papers, and much more are available on our website, www.emergogroup.com/Europe. Bye for now.